In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PowerPoint to PDF quickly and correctly. Whether you need to share your presentation with someone who doesn't have PowerPoint, upload it online, or print it without formatting issues, converting to PDF is the best way to keep everything looking exactly the way you designed it. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to export any PowerPoint presentation as a PDF in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can open an existing presentation that you've already created, or you can open a new one if you just want to test the process. Once your presentation is open and ready, make sure you've saved all your latest changes so nothing gets left out of the PDF version. Now, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on the File tab. When you click File, PowerPoint will switch to what's called the Backstage view. This is where you'll find options for saving, printing, sharing, and exporting your presentation into different formats. In the left side menu, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Export. The Export section gives you different ways to change your presentation into another file format. After clicking Export, you'll see an option that says Create PDF XPS document. This is the feature that allows you to convert your PowerPoint file into a PDF. Click on Create PDF XPS document. You'll now see a button that says Create PDF XPS. Click that button again to continue. A new window will open, allowing you to choose where you want to save your PDF file. In this Save window, choose the folder where you want your PDF to be stored. You can rename the file if you'd like by typing a new name in the file name box. Before you click Save, you'll also notice some options at the bottom. You can choose to optimize for standard publishing, which is best for online sharing and printing, or minimum size, which is better for sending by email. In most cases, standard is the best option to maintain quality. If you want even more control, you can click on Options. Here, you can choose to export all slides, just the current slide, or a specific range of slides. You can also decide whether to include hidden slides, comments, or handouts. Once you're done adjusting any settings, click OK to return to the Save window. Now, simply click Save. PowerPoint will process the file and automatically create your PDF. Once it's finished, the PDF will usually open automatically so you can review it. You'll see that all your slides, formatting, images, fonts, and layouts remain exactly as they were in your presentation. And that's it. That's how you convert PowerPoint to PDF in just a few simple steps. Open PowerPoint, click File, go to Export, select Create PDF XPS, click Create PDF XPS again, and then save your file. It only takes a minute, and it ensures your presentation looks professional and consistent on any device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.